about it as all that you have in life, but really what you truly always have is what you have right here, right now. Because the here and now is always here, and this is what you're stuck with. You know, you're stuck here and now. And even if you could say you're stuck with this body, but you're not exactly 100% stuck with this body, because you can have out-of-body experiences, astral traveling and dream travel and stuff. And then you're not in this body, but where are you? You're here. Even in that experience, you're in the here and the now. So what do you have? You have the here and now. So to practice wanting what you have in the here and now, not to be bypassing if you really hate something, but there is a certain sense of allowing, non-resistance, and wanting or making peace with, allowing, accepting, embracing, accepting the here and the now. And to use a simple word is to want it. A lot of the time we just don't want it, but there's nothing bad happening. Our ego is thinking we want something in the future, we're trying to get somewhere, we're going fast, we're rushing, we're unconscious. We're not really soaking up the now because we don't want it. But if I tell you or suggest you to try and want it, learn to want it more, I want the now, I want this, I like here and now, allow me to be here and now, enjoy my life. Your life is always in the here and the now. So the ego lives in a state of dissatisfaction with the now and the here, and it always wants something different. It's never happy or satisfied, it always wants more. Like a spoiled little child. So yeah, no, I love children, no offense, I'm a daddy. You can be a spoiled little adult too. But really, what I really just mean is, can we learn to be more wanting and appreciative and recognizing and conscious and aware and present in the here and now? I want it, this is my life, here, now. I want it, I allow it, I thank you, I thank it, I appreciate it, I want to be here. So it's like aligning your body and your mind with the now and the here. Because a lot of times it's like almost like you're not here, your mind and body are somewhere else. Like your body's kind of here, but your mind is somewhere else. So your mind isn't in your body, you're not consciously in your body, and your mind is somewhere else. The here and the now is here. You're here, kind of, but you're not really here. Interesting. So your body's here, but you're not really here. So when we learn to synchronize and align, we'll experience a lot more peace and happiness, and even gratitude and appreciation, which is a sense of joy, high happiness. So yeah, practice that, my friends. Practice this in your life. Hope this makes sense. Let me know if you like this, if it makes sense. So practice this. It's not just wishy-washy, it actually means stuff. It's important. Allow yourself to experience joy. Say to yourself, I allow myself to experience joy. I allow myself to relax. I say to myself sometimes, I allow myself to relax and to fall asleep. Sometimes I have a hard time falling asleep. Say, I allow myself to be in the here and now.